I'm Dr. Charles Mok, and I want to talk to you about Emsculpt and also a collaboration we're having with FitBody 360 right nearby in Washington Township with Tony Orlando. So welcome, Tony.
Thanks for having me here.
Thanks for coming. So we're going to talk about Emsculpt, FDA-cleared device, first of its kind, that uses electromagnetic energy. And it gives 20,000 what's called super maximal contractions in 30 minutes, and it causes you to burn fat and build muscle. I've done it myself, and it just feels kind of weird. You're laying there for half an hour, but it's like working out in the gym, such an intensity that you've gained 20% of muscle mass and lost 20% of the fat thickness in that area just in 2 weeks. When you come into Allure for an Emsculpt consultation, you're going to offer them a free DEXA scan, which is a $400 value, which is going to tell them what?
Great thing that we can do is we can actually measure belly fat, and we can look at the hidden dangerous fat that's not your subcutaneous fat that's visible. So a lot of times very lean individuals could have deadly amounts of visceral fat. So we see a very high incidence of this among especially middle-aged people that do look lean. They may work out, they may run, they may have an active lifestyle, and they have these deadly amounts of visceral fat, which could lead to heart disease and type 2 diabetes.
It's hidden dangerous fat that we might have a genetic predisposition to get.
Yes.
And we think we're doing pretty good, but without a measurement, how do you really know? You know, you're getting on a scale, like I'm getting a little bit of thickness here, is this dangerous or not? We can really precisely tell this is good or bad fat. And that's something that I think us having the ability to know can change our behavior.
What we do at FitBody is, along with the DEXA, and give you a picture of where you're at today. And a lot of times this can be surprising or shocking information. There's people that come in that think their body fat is much lower. They're very surprised by the amount of hidden belly fat. But the good news is, no matter where you're at today, is that we can have these unbelievable transformations in relatively short periods of time. Here's something really important, because people get fixated on the scale. How much do I weigh? And that's really very secondary. And we see people that do on major calorie deficit diets that may lose 30 or 40 pounds, and their body composition gets worse. Their body fat percentage actually goes up.
Because they burn off muscle mass and bone mass.
They're losing muscle, they're losing the wrong weight the wrong way.
So this way you can track them along.
Yep.
We'll repeat this. Are you going the right? If you're not going the right way, well, that's okay. We can change directions.
Yep.
Yeah.
And that's a great example of why diets don't work. We want lifestyle change. And it's really about the journey, you know, combining the things that we can do here at Allure, along with knowing, you know, where we're at today and lifestyle changes. We can get phenomenal results, but not just results in 60 or 90 days.
Or forever.
But forever.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So I hope you enjoy your experience with Emsculpt. I hope you take advantage of the great offer. And even if you're not really sure, you can come in and see us and talk to one of our providers, see if Emsculpt and DEXA are right for you. So we'll look forward to seeing you. Thank you very much.